Chateau nila Paeng at Mariel. Yay.
Nilalagay nila sa driveway nila.
Okay. At so may ramp dito.
Dyan eh, may ramp dyan.
So ito po nila. Oh, may deck sila sa taas.
Kami lang magulo dito. Tinanggal niya. Nakikita mo, ito yung sinasabi ko yung buwi na yan.
Oo.
Nasabi ng mga homeowners ang pagpunta kayo mag-jet ski, pero minsan pinaka-Airbnb nila ang gulo.
Ay, ibig sabihin yung buwi ayaw palapitin.
Oo.
Huwag kayo lalapit dito ng unless ipapark lang.
Pero hanggat doon, mababaw.
Oo, okay.
Gitna lang ang... Mariel nga, nahulog doon, pinagalitan pa ako eh.
Si Ray, Isa,
Isa.
Lu.
Okay. Tsaka hindi pa, no?
Si Cha hindi pa.
Magbakasyon kayo dito longer.
Oh, dito lang tayo. Mag-relax.
What you say now?
30 more years.
30 more years, no? Hirapan.
Okay.
Nag-preview na.
3 bedrooms? To the deck? Oh, nice.
Masters naging kwarto na ni Jane. Si Paing ayaw ko pabanyohin dito, doon siya pupunta.
Tapos ganda. Oo, may access din sa deck. Ano ba siya dati?
Carpet lang.
Carpet. Ganda. Balkonahe, may balcony.
Pag maganda yung weather, buksan namin lahat ng windows. Ako, ang sarap. Para kang nasa probinsya.
Hi, Gabe! Hi, Maya! Very good to see you.
Good to see you.
Blow kiss. You said to blow kisses right now.
Huh?
You want to blow a kiss?
Blow kiss. Apat yan. Oo. Yung mother niyan, aso namin
Anak lang yan, anak yan.
anak.
Ayan, ayan. Dito naman tayo kina Akay and Ronnie. Hi, Boobits! Hi, how are you? Good to see you.
Welcome to the club!
I know.
Welcome to the grandparents
I
club!
know.
Lola
Oh, that's right.
at lolo ka na. Lolo David ka na pala.
Good to see you.
So glad.
And hi.
So nice to see
Nice to
you.
see you. Oh, so pretty.
I got to hear Uncle Daddy, but the last time you saw them was California.
Yeah, it's been a
2015 pa
long
yun.
time. Yeah.
10 years ago.
Wow, nice. Ang ganda.
Sana naman blue sky sana. Blue din yan eh.
This is Coda.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Goldan David. Yeah.
David, I'm Cody.
Oh, pleased to meet you. Rani, kumusta? Long time no see ah.
Kita ulit tayo.
Ganda nitong shop. Itong chateau niyo, mansion.
Busy pala kayo, ano?
Ha?
Affair nyo?
Yeah, for the weekend, yes. Wow.
Tomorrow, Sunday.
Ay, papalakas o papalakas. Galing eh.
Monday na nga pala, no?
Ah. Pasal? Oh.
Muna tayo.
Yeah. Tour. Brad, sama ko na lang dito para okay ba dyan? O dito? Hindi, nakita ko yung mga family pictures. Dito sila Pinky and Marlon, si Rhea pa.
Si Marisol, nanggaling na dito. Si Marisol.
Marisol, kasama yung kambal. Ay, yung kambal? Or
yung isa
si
lang.
Ben? Okay. Parang newer home to, newly built? Or rebuilt? Or it was rebuilt maybe, kasi may new standards na.
The owner of that lot, this lot, and the one next,
Yeah.
one owner lang yon.
Oh.
They sold this lot. So it's about
No, lot with the house or
no, the owner built. I mean the owner. So first, sila.
oh, I see.
They
So
sold. They made money.
oh, I see. So build and sell. They were like a build and sell folks. So they live there too. Okay.
So, dyan naman kami nagwa-wine.
Wow.
Tsaka sunset daw, maganda.
Sunset. Every day is different.
Wow.
We only get to enjoy it in the weekend.
Wow. Ayun. Wala silang,
Kanina yan sa'yo to. Kanina na yan.
wala silang duck katulad niyo. Wala silang duck.
They just move it.
Ah, bago yan. Ay, sayang, naunahan kami.
Alam mo, but this one, that house there, every summer, walang nakatira doon. Parang getaway lang nila.
Oh, okay.
Big fan, parang Romero, they just go there in the summer, all
I
the
see.
holidays.
Oo. Sabi ko nga kay Mariel pwede pa kayo mag-host ng reunion ng mga Romero. Meron from New York, meron from
Try to do that, yeah.
kasi wala na si Manang Nanette sabi ko siya ang dating kan mahiling mag-host.
Dapat na, pero nakarating na kayo, nakarating na. Si Don din,
Oo,
dapat nakarating
oo,
na.
pero si Cheska dyan lang sa
Nasaan siya?
Dyan siya
Sinasabi ko kay Cha
ah,
Nandito siya sa Baltimore.
Delaware.
no, Delaware. Oh, well, it's a few hours away, but it's drivable. malapit lang ito.
Oo, across the bridge na.
Ganun lang. Okay.
25.
Annapolis?
Yeah.
Okay.
Annapolis, iba to.
Yan.
Okay, so,
Yeah. We can go to Annapolis now with the boat.
so
Four bedrooms.
Oh.
Ito exercise na siya.
I know, nasa
Ganahan kami.
basement niya ito noon
Oo.
Nung, sa
Parang
kabilang
naman storage room.
The master's bedroom. Yeah, nice.
Lift the windows so we can hear the You know when you're old na, di ba? Hindi na tayo nababalik ng speaker. Mortgage nga.
Retired na ba? Retired na?
Hindi, nagpa-part-time pa ako.
Oh.
3 o'clock daw pala.
Now you have to be there by 3.
If possible, so we can prepare. Kasi may 6 o'clock kami.
Oo, dapat kumain na tayo.
May 6 o'clock.
Ano,
Mine, you can,
Zoom man.
naka-communicate siya. Kakain. Okay.
viral eh.
Hey, galing.
Ay, Ding! Hey! Good to see you. Pamisan, I know, pamisan-minsan lang.
I have a bunch of really old pictures. I will scan them and send them.
Oh, yeah, please.
I do not identify kung sino yung mga
I try to collect them. Paul, who's that? Good to see you.
Yeah.
Tumatanda, ha?
Bumuli ako oyster. Ha? Bumuli ako oyster sa uwi ko sa bahay. Oyster.
Nag-classmate ko pala si Paul.
Para kasi Zaldo ko
Zaldi.
Nakasilaw kasi.
Oo nga, mga Tigalbay.
Sabi ba't di mo kilala yan eh?
Yan sigado. Bagong ano siguro yun eh. British yan eh.
Mga Nepo kids. Mga Nepo kids mo. Nepo.
Ano yung next?
Yung mga anak ng mga bilyonaryo sa atin.
Dapat makulong sa atin. Magukulong kaya mga yun.
Happy birthday to you. Long live.
Happy birthday, Paeng.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Long live by another 40 years. Sabi niya, another 30 years daw ang gusto niya pa mabubuhay. Make it 40, make it 40. Who are we missing aside from Elise? Si
George.
Champy, si Georgie. Oh, Georgie is. Okay.
And how did you get to know this? Sa ano na, sa work. Pero chika. Kasi California.
Ganun lang pala. Ganun lang. Like her dad.
Vlogger.
What are you doing? Hindi kasi Tingting wala eh.
So, si Ting Ting, ha?
Di ba may kwan na naman?
Oo nga. NIH pala, NIH. Cut ng budget.
Threat na kwan.
Oo.
Mas top yun sa kwan. Oo na? Payments na naman. September 30. Kung di ma-approve yung deal. Ano naman yan? Rig.
Oh, sige, sige.